Don't keep me waiting. We don't have to get closer, and you already know I got it for you. The vibes, the vibes, the vibes. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Vibes by Zayn. It's a very easy song, literally 2 chords, and we're playing it in open tuning. So we're not going to be using the capo standard tuning. So that's your first chord, it's a C major, and then D. To D, okay? So that's C to D. If you don't know the chords, you can check out my chord video. Link is in the description. But don't keep me waiting. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. That's my strumming pattern for the song. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes the whole song. That's it for the verse, that's it for the, yep, that's pretty much it for the verse, the chorus, everything. And if you want to just spice it up, you can play plucking 5/4, and then you pluck 3 and 2 simultaneously. So that's let me play that with the chorus. Which is just a slide of C to fret 3 and 5. Okay? And then you slide. And that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.